You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French politician and former Prime Minister of France. He might become a new Prime Minister again in the next few weeks. Let's find out. Bernard. The French pronunciation is Bernard with a silent D. The D is not pronounced in French, it's not Bernard. Bernard Cazeneuve. Cazeneuve. Bernard Cazeneuve. If you cannot pronounce French very well or perfectly, in English you can say it as Bernard Cazeneuve. Bernard Cazeneuve. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.